So creating a red black tree using 10, 18, 7, 15 and so on. Initially the tree is empty, so we create a new node having the value 10, as this is the first node of the tree and it's a root node. As per the properties of red black trees, the root node must be black. Now insert 18, as 18 is greater than 10, so it will come after the right of 10. And the rule, as per the rule of red black tree, if the tree is not empty, then the newly created node will have the red color. So 18 has a red color. And we verify the third rule, the parent of the new node is black or not. So in the above figure, the parent of the node is black. Now insert 7, as 7 is less than 10, it will come to the left of 10 and 7 with red color. And the parent of the new node is black or not. The parent of node 7 is black, 10. The next element is 15, and 15 is greater than 10, but 15 is less than 18. So the new node will be created at the left node of 18, and the new node 15 will be red. If you insert 15 to the left of 18, 18 is red color and 15 is also red color, which violates the property, the red parent-child relationship. If the new node's parent is red, then we have to check the color of parent's sibling of a new node. The new node is 15, the parent of new node is 18, and the sibling of the parent node is 7. As the color of parent sibling is red in color, so we apply the rule. We have to recolor both the parent and parent sibling node. So both the nodes 7 and 18 would be black. Now you see this. The parent of a new node is the root node, so we don't need to recolor it. The next is 16. 16 is greater than 10 but less than 18 and greater than 15. So 16 will come at the right node 15, right of 15. 16 is in red. So we can observe that it violates the property of parent-child relationship, as it has red parent-child. So we have to apply some rules. Since the new node's parent is red color and the parent of the new node has no sibling, this is important. The new node's parent is red color and the parent of the new node has no sibling. So we need to do some rotations and recoloring would be performed. Look at that rotation. Node 16 is right of node 15 and the parent of 15 is 18, and node 15 is the left of node 18. Here we have an LR relationship. You need to observe this clearly. 16 is to the right of 15 and 15 is to the left of 18. So we have LR relationship. So here we have to perform rotations. We will perform left and then we will perform the right rotation. The left rotation would be performed on nodes 15 and 16. The node 16 will move upward and node 15 will move downward. So here we have the tree now. So here we have LL relationship. Again we have red conflict. So we perform the rotation. Node 16 would become the root node, and 15 and 18. So now we have this. So you just observe the colors. After changing the colors, the next element is 30. 30 is inserted to the right of 18. The color of 30 would be red. So we don't need any rotations. The color of both parent and parent sibling would become black. The parent 18 and the parent's sibling 15. So here we have so we also check parent of the new node, whether it is a root node or not. The parent of the new node 30 parent 18 and 18 parent 16, and 16 is not a root node, so we will recolor the node 16 and change to red color. The parent of node 16 is 10 and it is not in red color, so there is no red conflict. You need to observe this. So we have 16 in red now. The next is 25. We have to insert 25 is greater than 10, 16, 18 but less than 30. So it will become to the left of 30. So node 25 would be in red color, and here we have red conflict, as the parent of newly created is red color. Since there is no parent sibling, so we will perform rotations, as the newly created node is at the left of its parent and the parent node is at the right of its parent. So RL relationship is formed. You need to observe why RL here. The newly created node is at the left of its parent, that is 25, and 25 parent is 30, and the parent is at the right of its parent. So here we have, after the first rotation, so after the first rotation, look at this. Now recoloring would be performed at nodes 25 and 18. Node 25 becomes black and node 18 becomes red. So here we have the tree after rotation, and the next is 40, as 40 is greater than 10, 16, 25 and 30. 40 will come at the right of 30. So 40 in red, and we have red conflict between 40 and 30. So after recoloring, we have also to check parent of a new node. The new node is 40, parent is 30, and parent is 25, which is not a root node. So recoloring would be performed, and the color of 25 changes to red. So after recoloring, again red conflict occurs between 25 and 16. Since the parent of 25 is red and the parent sibling is black in color, 25 is at the right of 16 and 16 at the right of its parent. So there is RR relationship. You can see the tree. So after rotation, recoloring is performed on 16 and 10. The color of node 10 and 16 changes to red and black. So now we have a tree. As the root node must be always black. The next element is 60, and 60 is greater than 16, 25, 30, 40. And there is a red conflict occurs. The parent node is red in color, and there is no parent sibling exists. So again we need to perform rotation, and after rotation the recoloring is performed on 30 and 40. The color of node 30 would be red and the color of node 40 would become black. So here we have the final tree, red-black tree, which satisfies all the properties. And while doing with these type of things, we must have a complete idea of red-black tree properties and coloring and rotations.